everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
Hi guys. Hi.
My name is Rebecca and I'm from JumpingClay.
My name's Pauline. I'm your JumpingClay instructor today.
Una here and I am your JumpingClay instructor.
My name is Tanya.
Today we're going to make a rainbow.
The model that I have for you today
It's animals.
This little guy here.
this funky little frog. So we're going to be making him.
Or mini bees.
I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step instructions on how to make.
This cute little koala bear.
Let's do this with JumpingClay.
If I go too fast, you can pause your video.
Everybody now should have their little pack.
The box.
All your colours.
Let's get going.
Yellow.
So I'm just mixing this through.
Just to warm it up a little.
We always like to stretch and fold your clay.
And fold the clay.
It's clay. Roll it back and forward.
We're going to roll back and forward,
Roll it out.
roll it into a sausage.
Blue clay.
Round and round.
And roll it around.
Roll round.
Super duper tool. Cutting it into two.
Chop it.
And then just push.
And put some little lines on.
Red. And that is your bumblebee.
There we are.
This is our rainbow.
All done.
So well done everybody.
Really, really excellent job.
I look forward to seeing you again.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed it.
I hope you enjoyed it.
And I'll see you guys again.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.